The maternal mortality rate. The maternal mortality rate refers to the number of women who die in childbirths per 1,000 live births. High rate of infant and maternal mortality is indicative of the poverty, lack of awareness, poor medical facilities in the country. The reasons responsible for maternal deaths in India are poverty, illiteracy and backwardness, lack of medical facilities and awareness, prevailing superstitions in the society. The efforts made by Indian Health Ministry to reduce maternal mortality rate. It is first of all strengthening efforts in 264 districts that account for nearly 70% of all infant and maternal deaths. 264 districts में efforts किए गए हैं from the government side. Implementation of mother child tracking system, which tracks every pregnant woman by name for the provision of timely prenatal care. Mother child tracking system has been introduced. That is care, institutional delivery, postnatal care and immunization for newborn. Provisions for enough fund per year, that is $3.5 billion for improvement of health service and taking care of women and children health. औरतों और बच्चों की हेल्थ के लिए per year $3.5 billion is being provided for by the government for their health and betterment. Under the Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram JSSK, mothers are entitled to get free delivery, free drug and free diagnostic. Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram, it is a scheme that the government has introduced for the mothers, and by help of this scheme the mothers are entitled to get free delivery, free drug and free diagnostics at different medical outlets that have been developed under this scheme. The following were the possible reasons behind the improvement in low maternal and infant mortality rate during 2005. 11 were institutional deliveries, where children are delivered at health centers or hospitals. Means institutional delivery means proper हॉस्पिटल्स, प्रॉपर हेल्थ सेंटर्स में ही डिलीवरी होगी. ठीक, जैसे पहले होया करता था दाई वगैरह आकर के डिलीवरी कर दिया करती थी, वो सारे सिस्टम नहीं, अनऑर्गेनाइज सिस्टम से डिलीवरी नहीं. हैड पिक्ड अप ओवर द लास्ट assistant, it has certainly reduced last 5 years. The Janani Suraksha Yojana JSY promoted institutional delivery, mothers by giving cash assistance. It has certainly reduced India's high maternal and infant mortality. Now comes the life expectancy rate. The life expectancy rates refers to the estimated number of years that an average person is expected to survive. एक आदमी कितने साल तक on an average जिंदा रह सकता है. It is calculated on the basis of data on age-specific death rates in a given area over a period of time. It is an important indicator of gender balance in population. So, historically, there were more females than males in most countries of the world. This happened because of two reasons. Number one, girl babies enjoy better immune system and resistance to diseases in comparison to male child. Number two, females live much longer than males in many of the societies. Even in India, it is so. The ratio between female babies and male babies is roughly 1050 females to 1000 males in India. Sex ratio is declining significantly and continuously for more than a century, from 972 females per 1000 males at the turn of 20th century. The sex ratio declined to 933 at the turn of 21st century. The state level sex ratio is alarming. As many as 6 states and union territories have a low child sex ratio of 793. The highest child sex ratio of 986 is found in Sikkim. Sex ratio seems to be declining in countries like India, China and South Korea. In India, parents still favor a male child to look after the land. The reason of preference of male child is definitely not linked with economic reasons. It is of social and cultural reasons too.